Hello friends, my name is Tofik and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the paragraph style in Adobe InDesign. It's pretty easy but at the same time pretty useful. So let's get started. So using the paragraph style, we can create a particular style and then apply it multiple times so that it will save us a lot of time and effort. So I'm going to create one paragraph style and apply it. I will show you how to do it. So first of all, to open the panel, simply go to window and then styles and then paragraph styles. So this is the paragraph style, and let's say if I want to create a new style, simply click on this particular button, create new style. Now this is the paragraph style 1, so we can double click and rename. So let's say I will rename it to my style, and again double click, select this and double click. So as you can see, this is the name, my style. Now whatever you want to make, whatever changes you want to make, you can make it. Let's say I want to increase the size, so let's say 16. Then color, character color, let's say I want this color over here, and if I press OK, you can see this is the change that I just made. So let's say if I want to make beg your pardon, same change in different areas. So let's say I want the same style over here. So instead of doing all those things, I can simply click on this my style and it will be applied like this. So as you can clearly see, this will save us a lot of time and effort, because let's say we are creating a long document of, let's say, 100 pages and something like that, and on each page if you want to apply this particular or any particular style, you can create multiple styles, and you just have to click on that particular area and click on this style that you just created, so it will be converted into that particular style. So this is how to do it. And one more thing, I will apply it over here, and let's say I will apply it over here. Now let's say after applying you realized or you want some changes in the style. So in this case, let's say I want blue color instead of this pinkish color. So instead of selecting all the text and changing it one by one, we can simply, so let's say I have applied this in 50 pages, so changing it would be a very difficult task without styles. So using this styles option, we can change it in one go. So let's say I want blue color instead of this pink color, so simply go to my style again, double click and go here, color, and if you change the color from here, this is cyan color. As you can see, in one go all the style will be changed. So this is why we use paragraph style in Adobe InDesign, so to save us a lot of time and effort. Now there is one more thing called as, when we select text, there is a option called as, if you go here, paragraph rules. So if you want to draw a line that extends right till the end of the page, we can use this particular option. So simply click on rule on, and as you can see this line, now I want it below, and you can rule on and you can increase the width. I will increase, and again offset into plus. As you can see, this is shifting. So this is called as, this is the text. If you want text width, rule above, rule below. So this line is called as the paragraph rule, and if you want to like this, I will go again, paragraph rules, below, as you can see. So the normal underline would end here, but as this is the paragraph rule, it is extending till the end of the column, and if you want it till the text, you can select this option and you can change the indent like this. if you want to change the color, like this, and if you want column size, width, like this. So this is called as the paragraph rules. But most importantly, we covered paragraph styles, so do use it in your document. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.